Hello guys, welcome to my channel again, and today I'm going to unbox a really user experience PlayStation 5. Okay, so it's been almost 2 years where the PlayStation released in the market, but at last I was able to grab my hand and I was able to order from Geo Mart, and I got lucky and I was able to get the PlayStation 5. Yes, so let's get start and unbox the thing. What's features and what is there and what's the pricings are available. So here you can see it's a little bit heavier. Okay, here you can see it's the serial numbers on all are available here, and you can see the price itself. Net here, the price is around 50,000, but 49,990. But by the time I'm shooting the video, it's the price is already increased by 10% in India market. Right now, if you want to purchase any new PlayStation 5, it will cost you around 54,990 or 55,000. Yes, so if you're a gamer and if you want to have an experience of the ultimate on the gaming part, so you can have this PS5 console. It's the first console I'm ever having, because I never had a PlayStation 4 or Xbox Series earlier. But it's the first console, and I was very much excited to unbox this. Yes, let's go ahead. Okay, this other box is there. So first I need to take out this box. Here you can see the PlayStation 5 logo. Can put it aside. Okay, so we'll get all the manuals here. All the manuals you will get, and keep it aside. And yes, you will get the warranty also, the warranty information. Please note, if you want to claim the warranty, either you keep this receipt or in the invoicing bill also. If you have faced any issue on the product itself, they can claim the warranty. Here is the power cable adapter, and here is the the console controller. It's in wireless, and in the market, this controller, one of the best gaming controller which you will ever get. It's having a haptic feedback and they feel the experience on ultimate level. Yes, so here is the controller. Now keeping aside, another is here. It's I think it's an power cable. Yeah, so it's power cable only. 1 minute, let me see what we have here. Okay, you'll get two more things. One, there's an USB Type A to USB Type C cable you will get to connect the controller with the PS5. Another, you will get the high quality HDMI cable to connect with the console, and another you will get it on stand. I think you can. I think it's, you can keep the PS5 console horizontally or vertically. If you can horizontally, then you need to support stand. But yes, if vertical also, just use the stand. It will keep the PS5 from falling apart behind or left and right, and it will keep you safe. Yeah. So here's all the things. If I go see other, see. Oh, here is the console. So I'm unwrapping it currently. Here is the all new PS5 console. You can see here. You can check it here. So I will let me install it first and connect with my TV, and I will share you the details on later. So at last I've completed my unboxing of the PlayStation 5. Here you can see it's glowing. You have the LED lights on side, and it is glowing. And the sound which you is getting is from the PlayStation experience. Here you will get an Astro's Playroom where you can able to play a free game, but yes, you need the internet first to download it and play it. By this Astro Playroom, you can able to get the utmost experience of the new PlayStation controller. Accordingly, you can just play it up. Yeah. Yeah, so you need to purchase a few games because all the games are not free on the PlayStation 5. So if you want to play the few free games, then you need to have a special plan which are subscriptions which are available at the PlayStation 5. There are three types of plan you will get. One is Essential, one is PS Plus Extra, one is PS Plus Deluxe. Okay, so if you go for the PS Plus Essential, for per month basis it will cost you around 499 Indian rupees, and for 3 months it will cost you around 1199 rupees, and for 12 months it will cost you around 3000 rupees or 2999. Yes, it is for PS Plus Essential, but PS Plus Extra you will get for 1 month is 749, for 3 months is 1999, and 12 months is 4999. And for the PS Plus Deluxe, which is the ultimate subscription plan, you will get for 1 month is 849, 3 months is 2299, and for 12 months is 5749. On the Deluxe plan, you will get the ultimate Sony specific games on your PS5 console. Okay, so just go ahead. If you still wish to purchase this console, you can just go to the shop etsy.com or Sony website, or at it's available at the Flipkart or at Amazon also. And also you're gonna get it from the Chroma and Reliance Digital. Please note that this PlayStation releases on a monthly basis, and it gets restocked on monthly basis only. So you need to keep an update at sony.com or shop at sc.com, where you can able to see when is the PlayStation 5 will get available, and once the restock is available on the specific date, you can able to make that purchase. Right now the stocks are getting a little bit better, but still it's very hard to get it, and I'm very lucky that I'm the last one who got that stock at 49990. In fact, I got an offer of around 3000 rupees, which I technically got it around 47,000 rupees. So thanks for the liking, folks. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on this video, please. Thank you.